Hi guys, welcome back. I was just finishing up that one brochure, trying to decide what I wanted to actually put into this pocket. And I found this, and I remember Mom and I actually went into this room, and it was actually super cool, and they did have a fire going, and it was pretty amazing. And I think what I want to do is just tuck this guy in here so that it lives there. But this is pretty blank here, and this is pretty blank over here, and I'm not super thrilled about it. But in that same brochure, here was I'm going to say it again, don't make fun of me, the Bayou, uh, not painting, it was embroidery, it was a tapestry, right? So I thought that I might put that there. And then on the same sticker sheet that I found, and we ended up using this sticker down here last time, I realized there was this one that said France right here, and I should definitely use that. And I thought that it might look pretty cool if I put this guy right here. So I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back. So I just went ahead and put that sticker down here. And here is the tapestry picture. And I've already glued up the back of it. So I think that's a good place for that to live. And here is the thing that I want to use for the tuck. So I'm just going to tuck this guy in here. Now, after I did all of that, I'm kind of looking at it and it looks a little plain. And this is how you fix plain. Again, from the dollar store. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to kind of emphasize or outline this edge. And you see it's not exactly straight, and that's okay. It's 100% okay, because that's what these books are about. They're just about creating memories, not about everything being absolutely perfect. And that, I think, is what I love about them most. Actually, I think I'm going to come around here and do another line, because why not? Here we go. Doing another line. Because why not? That's kind of cool. What if I did another line, but it's in gold? Where's my gold pen? There we go. I found it. Okay, I'm going to come in here in the middle. I'm going to do a gold line. I'm going to come down here from the bottom. Oh, it looks kind of like a river. Look at that. Stay down. I know I put glue on you. Calm down. You know, that's not showing up very well. I kind of like the silver one better. Come back in here with some more silver. Kind of skip over this. Come on down here. Yeah, look at that. That's pretty cool. And then I can take this guy and apparently put some more glue on that one particular corner that doesn't want to stay down. There we go. There you go. Have some more glue. That's what you wanted. And I think I'm just going to do these little scallop things over here on the side. For no reason other than it seems like a good idea. This is a not good angle for me to do this, but I'm going to do it anyway. And then I can do little tiny scallops here, I guess, because I didn't leave myself enough room, but that's all right. This is taking a lot of concentration, for the record. Now I'm going to come in here and put some dots and make it kind of look, I don't know, maybe like lace. I'm not sure. It seems like the right thing to do. That looks kind of neat. Maybe I'll come down here at the bottom and do a thing here, kind of emphasizing these sides a little bit. Oh, well, guess we're doing a 3-dot thing down here at the bottom since my pen wanted to run off. It's all right. And since I did that up there, I guess I'll do this up here. Just make kind of a little border thing going on. And now with this little space that's left here and then here, I can go ahead and write something in here. And then that guy's going to be all done. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you had a great day. Bye.